Are you ready to elevate your sewing game? Whether you're a seasoned crafter, a passionate quilter, or a beginner taking your first steps into the world of stitching, the right sewing machine can make all the difference. With innovation and craftsmanship at their peak, 2025 brings us a lineup of sewing machines that blend power, precision, and versatility. From budget-friendly workhorses to high-end marvels that cater to every creative need, we've rounded up the top 5 sewing machines that stand out this year. Let's dive in and discover which one is the perfect match for your sewing journey. Number 5. The Brother ST371 HD Strong and Tough. Starting off our list is this budget-friendly powerhouse, the Brother 71 HD. As its name suggests, this machine is built to handle the tough jobs without emptying your wallet. Designed for versatility, it boasts 37 built-in stitches, including utility and decorative options, giving users plenty of creative freedom. Whether you're working on lightweight fabrics like cotton or tougher materials like denim, canvas, or even synthetic blends, the metal needle plate and durable frame ensure consistent high-quality performance. The automatic needle threader is a godsend for those who struggle with threading needles, making setup quick and stress-free. Additionally, the inclusion of a non-stick foot makes working with challenging fabrics like leather or vinyl significantly easier, further expanding the machine's capabilities. What makes the Brother 71 HD a standout for its price is how well it balances durability and accessibility. It's designed to cater to beginners dipping their toes into sewing while remaining robust enough for intermediate users who need an affordable backup. The machine is easy to use and includes thoughtful features like a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system, ensuring frustration-free sewing for extended periods. Its lightweight design also makes it portable, perfect for transporting to sewing classes or workshops. However, it's not without its limitations. Advanced sewists might find the lack of computerized features, an LCD screen, or extensive stitch customization options somewhat limiting. Still, for anyone on a budget looking for reliability and solid performance, the Brother 71 HD stands as one of the most dependable and versatile choices in its class. Number 4. Singer 4423. Next, we have the Singer 4423, a machine designed with simplicity and power in mind, making it a top choice for beginners. With 23 built-in stitches, including essential and decorative options, as well as a one-step buttonhole feature, this sewing machine sets the foundation for creativity. Whether you're crafting garments, creating home decor, or repairing old clothes, the 4423's versatility shines. Its standout feature is its incredible speed, clocking in at 1100 stitches per minute, ensuring you can tackle projects quickly without sacrificing precision or stitch quality. Its heavy-duty metal frame guarantees durability, allowing it to withstand consistent use as you refine your sewing skills. Beginners will particularly appreciate how user-friendly this machine is, from the straightforward setup to its intuitive controls, which include an adjustable stitch length and width for greater customization. The extra high presser foot lifter makes it easy to handle thicker seams, such as hemming jeans, working with multiple fabric layers, or experimenting with quilting projects. The machine also features an automatic reverse lever for reinforcing stitches, ensuring projects are as durable as they are beautiful. However, while it excels at the basics, the Singer 4423 does lack advanced features like computerized settings or an LCD screen, which might leave more experienced sewists wanting additional options for precision sewing. That said, the ease of use and efficiency make it a reliable workhorse for beginners and casual sewists alike. Still, for anyone starting out or looking to master the fundamentals of sewing while tackling a variety of projects, the Singer 4423 delivers dependable performance, durability, and ease of use that's hard to match. Number 3. Brother HC 1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. For those who want a machine that can do it all, the HC 1850 is the ultimate multitasking marvel. With a staggering 185 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting options, 8 one-step buttonholes, and monogramming capabilities, this machine offers endless possibilities. Whether you're sewing intricate designs, creating garments, or tackling quilting projects, this machine has you covered. Quilters will particularly love the wide table and free motion quilting foot, which make creating intricate patterns both accessible and enjoyable. The adjustable sewing speed and user-friendly LCD screen further enhance its appeal, making this model approachable for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. What sets the HC1850 apart is not just its impressive versatility, but also its lightweight and portable design. At just over 10 pounds, it's easy to transport for sewing classes, crafting on the go, or even storing away when not in use. Despite its compact size, it doesn't skimp on features, offering advanced functionality like a drop feed system for free motion quilting and an automatic needle threader for quick setup. The built-in instructional DVD and clear manual make learning the ins and outs of this machine a breeze, especially for those new to sewing. While the HC1850 is undeniably versatile, it's not designed for heavy-duty fabrics like leather or thick layers of denim, which may limit its use for those working on tougher materials. That said, for everyday projects and creative adventures, its extensive stitch selection and adaptability make it a top contender. Overall, if you're looking for a machine that delivers versatility, convenience, and portability in one sleek package, the Brother HC1850 is an exceptional choice that's sure to inspire creativity. Number 2. Juki HZL F600 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Now, stepping into the luxury category, the Juki F600 is a machine that screams premium quality and versatility. With 225 stitches, including decorative, utility, and alphabet options, this computerized sewing and quilting machine offers professional-level performance that meets the needs of even the most demanding projects. The large workspace, which accommodates larger materials with ease, and the advanced box feed system ensure perfectly even stitching on challenging fabrics like chiffon, velvet, or heavy canvas. It's equally adept at handling delicate fabrics and multi-layered quilting materials, making it a top pick for both garment makers and quilting enthusiasts. Efficiency is a hallmark of the Juki F600, with features like an automatic thread trimmer that eliminates the need for scissors, a knee lifter to allow hands-free adjustments, and memory functionality to save your favorite stitch settings for future use. The adjustable presser foot pressure and speed control ensure precision regardless of fabric type or project complexity. Additionally, the intuitive LCD display simplifies navigation through the myriad of stitch options and settings, offering convenience for users of all skill levels. The Juki F600 is built for those who take their sewing seriously. It's not just about the extensive features, it's about how seamlessly those features come together to enhance the sewing experience. The machine operates smoothly and quietly, reducing fatigue during extended sessions, and its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand years of consistent use. While its price tag may give some pause, this machine is a long-term investment for sewists who are deeply committed to their craft. For professionals or dedicated hobbyists, it's a game changer that elevates both the quality and enjoyment of sewing. And at number 1, the Janome HD 5000 Black Edition. Topping our list as the best overall sewing machine of 2025 is the Janome HD 5000. This machine is a perfect marriage of power, simplicity, and style, built to cater to a wide range of sewing needs. With 18 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and a robust aluminum body, the HD 5000 is designed to handle everything from intricate garments to heavy-duty upholstery projects. Whether you're crafting formal wear, working on home decor, or tackling complex repairs, this machine is equipped to deliver flawless results. The machine's motor is impressively quiet yet powerful enough to glide effortlessly through thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and even layered materials without skipping a beat or compromising stitch quality. What sets the Janome HD 5000 apart is its meticulous focus on quality over quantity. Unlike many computerized models that boast an overwhelming number of stitch options, this machine emphasizes durability, reliability, and straightforward usability. Every feature has been crafted to last and perform at the highest level, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable sewing experience. It also includes a hard protective cover, keeping it safe and secure when not in use. Additionally, the sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication and professionalism, making it not just a functional tool, but a stylish addition to any sewing space. Another highlight of the HD 5000 is its user-friendly nature. The simple setup process and intuitive controls make it accessible to beginners who want a machine they can grow with, while experienced sewists will appreciate the no-nonsense functionality and consistent performance. Its adjustable presser foot pressure allows for smooth handling of a variety of fabric types, from lightweight silks to heavy-duty materials. Whether you're looking for a long-term investment as a beginner or you're a seasoned sewist valuing top-tier reliability, the Janome HD 5000 Black Edition offers unmatched quality, versatility, and elegance. This is truly a machine you can count on for years to come, delivering precision and excellence in every project.